Hello, my name is Dario Gonzalez, and this is the video to accompany user story number 2802, Public Agent Description. I am working with the agent team on the BreazeHome 5.0 release, working under Masood Sajjadi. The current situation has to do with the contact information that's presented to a user when they see a listing page. The contact information is stock, it's not very well formatted, and there's just various little style things that don't help. But the main thing is that it's every single listing on BreazeHome has the same dummy contact agent, and this attempts to fix that. And I'm going to show right now what a current page looks like. This is the live production server, and we can see here we have a stock image with stock data and non-functional messaging and phone numbers, obviously. We come down to the contact. We see that this styling doesn't match the styling from above. We have fake data, fake ratings here. The styling isn't very well done, and there's other things like this here, which implies that the agent would contact them, but that functionality is far and away, and for now I've decided to remove it until the messaging team, if they so choose, can easily add it back in. And other little things like send messages not being capitalized, agent not being capitalized, things like that. So what's the solution? What I've changed? Well, I've basically addressed every single one of those things, the major one being that listing pages automatically load agent details, and that missing data is presented as such. Also, featured agents have been removed because they're not very relevant. When you're looking at a listing, the only agent that matters is the one who's selling that particular property. So let me show what that looks like currently on my local server. So we have BreazeHome, and let's just load one particular listing. We see we have a loading text, and when it comes in, the name is bigger. We have actual listing information, and these messaging links have been changed to emails, loaded again from the property details, and they're mail to links, so clicking them opens your particular mail utility. Scrolling down to the contact, we see it reflects the actual name. Things have been capitalized, stylized in a thing that I think is more appealing. The featured agents have been removed, and missing data is presented as such, like with this profile picture, and other things have been made better, such as the centering and things like that. And to show, just as an example, another listing, we see again the name is dynamically loaded, email, all that good stuff, and same down here. And now I'm going to show the code for this, the actual implementation details. So I only had to change 3 files, details.html, removing some unnecessary, the featured agents, and changing the classes somewhat, playing with the classes a bit, both for the bottom section and the top section. You see here that we're doing Angular hooks so that they're loading the correct data. And then the actual detail.js contains the logic. We see here that the scope.agent is initialized to loading, and we have an asynchronous call to get the information from the properties, which is inside the properties table. These are all the different fields in the object, in the property details, that could contain a working phone number. And the reason that I have them like this is because across several listings, not all agents use the same field to enter their phone number. So for example, on one listing, they, instead of using the first option here, list agent direct work phone, they use list office phone. And so what this code here does is it loads all that data, it filters out everything that isn't null or an empty string, and it, and if there is, after the filtering, if there is something, it picks the first one. I've sorted these in order of relevance, so the first number that you'd want to call is this one, and then on and on. And if there is no phone after the filtering, then it just changes it to not found, and that's displayed on the listing page. Agent's name and agent emails are much more consistent. There aren't any options, and I have yet to see someone use a different field instead of this one, although it would not be too difficult to replicate this behavior and load the data and check several options for the data we're looking for. And then the detail of the SAS file was also changed fairly extensively to achieve all the little styling quirks that I think really make the website look a lot better, such as vertical centering, nicer fonts, mail twos, and here we also have the correct stock photo, the correct default photo. I also implemented text overflow so that if the page is made too narrow and the name no longer fits, it's elegantly clipped off rather than just going off the end of the page. Okay, so in conclusion, this has been the video to accompany user story number 2802 for the BreazeHome 5.0 release. My name is Dario Gonzalez, working for the agent team under Masood Sajadi, our mentor and product owner. Thank you.